Hey guys, welcome to MUN Mentor. Today I'm going to show you how to write a draft resolution for your MUN conference. So a draft resolution is a formal document written during a model UN conference that outlines the solutions a bloc of countries proposes to address the agenda topic. It is a primary way delegates turn discussion into action, mirroring real-life UN resolutions. The draft resolution contains preambulatory clauses which provide background, context and justification, and operative clauses which state the specific actions to be taken. Now, unlike a position paper which is written before the conference, draft resolution is created during the committee sessions, usually after the significant debate takes place and negotiation takes place. Delegates with similar views form blocks, brainstorm policies, and collaboratively write the document. Once the draft is complete, it is submitted to the DICE or EB and can be debated, amended, and ultimately voted on. Draft resolutions must follow a format and tone, including no use of first person, which includes we, I, and more. Use of official and diplomatic language should be included. And thirdly, structured clauses using UN style resolution language. Once a draft resolution has enough sponsors and signatories, the numbers may vary by conference, and is accepted by the chair, it becomes eligible to be introduced in session and to be debated. After debating and possible amendments that take place, the committee votes on whether to adopt it as a full resolution. Why are draft resolutions important? They turn debate into action. While speeches and caucuses are important, real change happens in MUN through draft resolutions. They translate ideas into official proposals just like real UN. Secondly, they encourage diplomacy and collaboration drafts. Collaboration draft resolutions aren't written alone. Delegates must build alliances, negotiate wording, and compromise to create a unified solution, making them a great way to practice teamwork, diplomacy, and leadership. Thirdly, they reflect your understanding of the issue. Every clause you include shows how well you've understood the problem, your country stance, and what realistic multilateral solutions look like. Fourth, they introduce awards. Contributing meaningfully to a well-written draft solution is a major factor chairs consider when choosing awards like Best Delegate or Outstanding Delegate. Fifth, they can become committee-wide policy. How to write a draft resolution? First, Step 1. Form a block. Find countries with similar viewpoints during unmoderated caucus. Discuss your shared priorities and key solutions. Second, brainstorm solutions. Each delegate in the block should suggest policies. Think about funding, implementation, international cooperation, and monitoring. Third, start structuring a resolution. Use two main parts. Preambulatory clauses explain background, reference past efforts, and justify action. Start with phrases like recognizing, recalling, alarmed by, noting with concern, etc. Now, operative clauses list the actions your block proposes. Start with phrases like encourages, calls upon, requests, supports, urges, and decides, etc. Step 4. Assign roles within the block. Divide the work. One person types, another checks the format, and others offer language ideas. Maintain unity in the tone. Step 5. Gather sponsors and signatories. Sponsors actively write the draft, while signatories support the discussion of it, but they don't have to agree on everything. Each committee has a required member. Make sure you meet it. Step 6. Submit to the DICE. Once your draft resolution is polished and complete, submit it to the chairs. If approved, it becomes an official document in committee and can be debated. Step 7. Debate, amend, and vote. Your bloc will defend the resolution during formal debate. Other delegates may propose amendments, changes to clauses before the final vote. This is the format of the framework of a draft resolution. Research, topic basics, UN actions, gaps in policy, national stance. Second, form a block, finalize similar stances, regional ties, and divide roles. Structure, heading, heading, in, heading info, preambulatory clauses, operative clauses, number clauses. Fourth, language and tone, formal, neutral, diplomatic, avoid direct accusations. This is a sample directive for my committee that I currently run in school. Let me just open this. Alright, so this is called Power 2.0. Also, a quick thing, never never write full stops in the middle of your DR, only include it at the end. So like in this case, if the person written 2.1, 2.2, then it's fine. Then it's fine. But if you write something like highlighting the duty imposed by Article 46 full stop, it'll get scrapped and it'll only be checked until whatever's written till that full stop. So if you look to this, there'll never be a full stop anywhere except like 1.25 or something like that. That's it. Let me just scroll down, and it's written here. Like even here, there's no full stop. It's only a semicolon. Here's a full stop. You'll not find a full stop anywhere else. Okay. So moving forward, authors. This is basically your sponsor. Signatory. Get as many signatories as you can. These are the preambulatory clauses. So highlighting, recalling, observing, worried, emphasizing, recognizing, doubtful, recalling, acknowledgement, reassuring, all this. Then this is some more information. I think these are the operative clauses. Some stats. So you can see how detailed it is, and just make sure you use as much variety of words like these that you can. It really shows your understanding of the conference in the format of the DR. Okay, so that is how to write a draft resolution for your committee, and just be aware of the full stop format, and let me know if you need any help with the DR. We have a website called MU Mentor. We also check paperwork and provide free resources and for formats and speech and all sort of that. Okay, thank you guys, and